looking a little bit like this. You've got the outline drawn and so on. So I'm going to suggest now that we rub out all our guidelines at this stage, because we need to start adding detail, and they're going to get in the way of the detail. Also, changing the after you've drawn it is going to be really difficult, because you're not going to be able to get in between all of the detail to rub out. Okay, so get all of that nicely rubbed out and looking clean. The next job I'm going to do, once I've rubbed everything out in terms of the guidelines, I'm going to keep my arrow because I need that. Okay. Ooh. There we go. Pick that back up. So what I'm going to draw now is I'm going to draw this edge here where we can see sort of like the skin of the kiwi. It comes out in this quarter here, and as it comes round, it gets a little bit wider. Again, I'm sketching quite lightly, bringing this in. Okay, and down and round to there. Okay, now I've got that in, I'm going to draw these lines here. Now they are white, so I need to come up, down and round. And then for each one, up, down and round. And as I come out, they come out like spokes on a bike, like that. Okay, the next thing is to rub out where it meets the white bit. So it now becomes a little loop like this. And this will mean when I come to do my tonal work later on, that I can just lighten this up a bit, start to add some lovely tones in between those lines. Okay, you need to look at your angles as they're coming out and making sure they're nice and thin. The next job will be to draw the little seeds in between. Some have one seed, some have two. Some I can just see a little shadow of a seed, and that's in between the different things there. There we go. Once that's finished all the way around, I can then start to add little hairs. Now, I'm going to sharpen my pencil because I want fine, thin lines. And I'm just going to add little bits of hairs, no more than 1/2 centimetre, coming off the edge of the fruit like that. And I can draw them 1/4 at a time, building that up. And this is our mark making skills from our previous project. And imagine if I've done that all the way around, that is my drawing finished. I do not add any pencil tone today. That will just take me to the end.